The United States government has given the green light to Ukraine to provide them with aircraft for defense against Russia. This was made known today by the U.S. Secretary of State, Antony Blinken. Recall that the Russian Federation stated that the government will consider neighboring nations' attempts to establish a no-fly zone over Ukraine. As regards this, the pondering issues of transfer of aircraft to Ukraine have partially stalled, though it was earlier stated that the Ukrainians could receive 70 combat aircraft. Following this development, on June 29, Ukraine's President Vladimir Zelensky appealed to members of the U.S. Congress with a request to aid Ukraine with a fighter jet.